Question number 27th. 27th, question number 27th. Just try to understand the question right now. The question is, this is a trapezium. What is trapezium, Teja? Teja, what is trapezium? Do you know it? Teja. Teja. If you don't know, tell me. Don't know. I'll just move to some other people. Guru Bani, what is trapezium? Children, nobody is going to on the camera today. Except Drishi and Sudarshan, I want to say everybody. Praharshan, Guru Bani. No, Teja, I can't hear you. Okay, try to solve this question number 1, children. Question number 1, you try to solve. See, in this figure, a trapezium is nothing but one pair of parallel sides are only one pair of parallel side will be there. The rest all how it is, it doesn't matter. So like this, you can do this. One side is parallel, so this is trapezium. Okay, one pair of sides should be parallel. All right, children.
Sir, what is the shade region in this?
What is the shape?
That the shaded region.
Just shaded region also you should find, right? Shaded region means this part. Just try to find this. Find the trapezium ABCD of area 24.5. So ABCD is trapezium of area. What is area of trapezium? Who will tell me? Area of trapezium half into sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides is BC plus AD into distance between them, that is AB. Okay. So half into BC plus AD. BC is 4, AD is 10. Multiply by AD. What is AB? Sorry, AB. What is AB over here? We have to find AB, right? So area of trapezium is 24.5. So how to find AB, children, over here? 24.5 is equals to half into 14 into AB, right? 2 sevens are 14. AB is equals to what we can write? 24.5 divided by 7. 7 threes are 21.5. 3.5 centimeter is the height of AB. Is it clear, children? AB is 3.5. Now we have to find here ABE. BC is 4. B to C is, this is 4. And this complete part is 10. If ABE is a coordinate of circle, find the area enclosed in a shaded region. Can you find this, children? Area of quadrant you can find, right? So area of quadrant is equals to, just now it's very easy, children. All of you find fast. Now it's very easy. Who can tell me the answer? Sudarshan, what is the answer for this? See, area of shaded region is equals to area of shaded region is equals to area of trapezium minus area of quadrant. Okay. So area of trapezium is already we know. So area of quadrant you can find separately, right? What is the area of quadrant? Adarsh, area of quadrant is equals to, this is 22/7 pi r square divided by 4. So 22/7, radius is 3.5 into 3.5 into 1/4. 0.5 to 11. We can do now to 5.5. So 5.5 into 0.5, that is what? 5 5 are 25. 175. 1.75. Okay. Multiply by 3.5. All of you just do. (1.75) into 3.5. So you'll get here 6.125. So area of trapezium is equals to 24.5 minus 6.125. So answer should come 14.875. Is there mistake somewhere? 24.5 minus 6.125 is coming 18.375. Just check, children. We are doing mistakes or something like that. The radius is 3.5. That is correct. So 22/7 into radius 3.5 into 3.5 into 1/4. 0.5, 11, 2, 2, 5.5. Yeah, here we have did mistake or what?
So is this from NCRT?
I don't know. I don't think this is NCRT. NCRT is this, Pakka? I don't know. This is 2.75 children over here. Here we have done mistake. This from the NCRT. Same question is there in
No,
NCRT.
sir, I don't think so.
So here we'll get 9.
It's not there in NCRT.
Yeah. These all are extra questions what I'm doing right now. These all are extra questions. So you can get it as 9.625 centimeters. So you can subtract the same over here, you'll get the same answer. We'll subtract 9.625. You'll get the same answer, 14.875 centimeter square. This is also a square. This is centimeter. Any one of you having doubt, children? Anyone feeling difficulty here? Anyone who is feeling difficulty over here? No one. Okay, fine. Moving to the next sum. See this question. In figure OABC is a square of side 7 centimeter. OAPC is a quadrant of a circle with center O. Find the area of the shaded region. It means that I think area of shaded region is this one. All of you find the fast. This is very easy question. I want answer from everyone. Write in the chat box. Take 2 minutes time, 5 minutes time, not a problem. Praharshan, you were having problem with your camera.
Sir, no, sir, I just turned it on.
This is one of the easiest question. Question number 38. Only of area of a square minus area of quadrant. That's it. So what you are getting the answer, just let me know.
10.
Sir, I'm getting 1.5.
It should be 10.5. Check. 10.5. See here, I've given the answer over here. Check. 7 sevens are 49 minus pi r square by 4. Pi by 4. 7 7 cancelled. 2 11 5.5. 5 sevens are 35 37.5 49 minus. What you'll get? Drushi, you are getting 1.5.
Sir, shouldn't it be pi upon 360 into theta upon pi
Okay,
up into
yeah, do that only. See,
10.5.
see theta by 360. What is happening, man? Into pi r square. Same thing will come, no? Drushi,
everybody. My name is Singh from 10th B.
is it coming okay? So here 4 will come. Same thing is coming now. This and this both are same. Where you did mistake? Check. Drushi, check where you did mistake.
yes, sir, I'm checking.
Everyone got the answer, children? This is centimeter square, 10.5 centimeter square. Adarsh, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Now, yes, small one word came out of it. No one else got the answer. Praharshan, you?
Sir, I got 10.5. Sir, I think you're at 37 instead of 38.
It's 38.
Sir, yes. 49 minus 38.
Acha, 48. 3 is, acha, haan, 38 will come over here. Sir, end as answer 11. Which answer 11? Sudarshan, is that one? Sudarshan, this is previous working out. Anybody understands what Sudarshan is trying to say? He's telling that if you use the previous working out, then 49. Acha. It's 11.5 then, right? Will come. Yes, 11. Yeah,
37. 11.
yeah, it's 11.5 previous one, but this is wrong, no? You should use 38.5 only.
Sir, is 10.5 the answer?
Yeah. All of you do question number 32 and write in the chat box, in only children, write in the chat box. And if you are not getting that also, you just write over there, you are not getting that. See that question number 32nd. Answer is here only, see 8 12. Okay. You have to find the area of a shaded region. See this part you should find. Area of the shaded region.
Sir, what is the shaded region?
This part is a shaded area, except this semicircle is there, no? Except that this part is shaded region. What got the answer?
Sir, I got 912.
Okay, let me check.
Sir, I am getting 1132, sir.
1132.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pi
Sir, I
r
got 812.
AD. What is the radius you are taking, children? What are the radius you are taking?
14.
14 only.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, 14 itself. Pi r.
Sir, I'm getting 8.
You're getting the same answer.
Yes, sir.
8 4s are 32, 3, 4 2s are 8, 8 and 3 11. 1120 minus 22 into 14. 22 4s are 88,
88.
22 308. So answer will come.
Sir, 1132, sir.
1132. Where?
Okay, sir. Okay. Add 11 to except for 22.
So this is the answer, children. Anyone having doubt in this question? Question number 32nd. Those who are not getting, take the screenshot and ask. Guru Bani, it's clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Teja. Teja. Are you there in the meeting or not? Okay, now see question number 34. Answer should be 25.12. This is the answer. Check, children, whether you're getting or not. I think this is the NCERT sum. I think so. Looks like. See those who are not getting. Whole is 14. This also 14. This is square, right? So this figure, if you try to understand, this is like semicircle over here. See, this is one semicircle, second semicircle, third semicircle, fourth semicircle.
Sir, I got 25.12, sir.
25.12. Okay. How you consider, Samarth?
Sir, yes, sir, I drew a square like this and took each side as 4 cm, sir.
4 cm. Which one? This
Yes, sir.
radius is 4 cm. You are saying?
Yeah. No, sir. Total radius. Actually, sir, I took the side that you took drew
This
the
one.
square.
This
inside.
one.
Yeah, 4 cm. Yeah.
Means
4
your
cm. Each
radius
side.
radius is 2, right?
Yes, sir. For the semicircles too.
How you consider 4?
Sir, as the total length is 14 cm, half of it is 7, which half of it is 7. It is given 3 cm over there. You see the upper and lower part.
Yeah.
So I subtracted it. 7 minus 3, 4.
Acha. Acha, you did in that way. Half where they have given, this is half of it. This part is half of it where they have given, Samarth.
Right.
Huh?
Sir, it is a square. So it is divided into half parts.
Yeah, that is food, but exactly, you know how to write exactly. Exactly, you write in some different way, you know how.
Sir, either we can also do, sir, 14 minus 6 as 3 is there. 14 minus 6 by 2.
14 minus 6 by 2.
Yeah.
You get 4.
Yes, sir.
So 4 is only your
We are
this
getting
much.
this
Or
one.
this. How you get 4? 4, which part you are getting 4?
Sir, 4, sir, the side of the square, sir, that smaller square inside, that's the 4. And you get the radius as 2.
What you are saying, that is correct only, but writing part you will get miss out. See how to write, no, Samarth. See what to do here is, if you see from this point, I'll just write here. From this point to this point, if you see how many radius will come, see, this is the 2 radius will come over here because this is a complete part of diameter, right, Samarth?
Yes, sir.
And here is 1 radius and here also 1 radius. There are 4 radius over here. So this is 3, this is 3. So 14 minus 6, that is 8 centimeter. If you name anything point over here, so from A to D is 14 minus 6, that is 8 centimeter. And 8 centimeter is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of radius. 4 times of radius is what? 8 centimeter. So R is equal to 2 centimeter. Understood, Samarth?
Yes, sir. This can also be done, sir.
So in this way, all you can write. If R you know, you can find easily. So if R is this much, so area of shaded region is equals to. Anyone else got the same answer except Samarth? Gurubani, just see here what we are doing. If you are getting, you just tell me. Area of shaded region is equals to area of a square. Area of square minus area of unshaded part. Unshaded region. Okay. So area of a square is 14 into 14 minus area of unshaded region is nothing but area of a square. Area of a small square plus, see, there are 2 circles, 2 complete circle come. 1, 2.
Minus, sir, minus.
2.
We will subtract from the whole square, right? Oh, we have put the minus in.
Here I have written bracket, no? So bracket means you add this both and you can
Yes.
subtract from that. So 15, 15, 225, this is 196 minus bracket. Area of a small square is 4 into 4 plus pi r square. Pi is 3.14. 2 times, no? 2 into should do 2 into 3.14 r square, that is 2 square. So 196 minus 16 plus 2 to the 4 to the 8, 314 into 8, 32, 3, 8, 3, 11, 1, 25. So 25.12. So 196 minus 25 and 16, 2, 1, 3, 41.12. So are you getting? Not same answer, no? Some different is coming. Children? Any other calculation mistake has done? 16 and 2 into
Sir, you have taken 3.1. Oh, there is 3.14. Try to 3.14. But I took 22 by 7. Sir. That's my answer. Correct, sir.
okay. Then how it is coming? 16, 41.12. 196 minus 25.12, what will come? Hey, what is coming here?
Sir, 25.12 is the area of the non-shaded region, sir.
Yeah, this is only now. See,
So,
first we have taken this much. This is coming 4, 4 just 16, right? And these two circles we have taken 2 into pi r square. So pi is 3.14 and r square is 2 into 2, 4. So where are you doing mistake then? How we did Summers? How, what you are getting here? How we have done?
sir, yeah, sir. Sir, the total area is 25.12, sir. 196 minus 25.12.
196 minus.
Yes, sir.
I think question only they have given something different. Okay, I have taken something else actually.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
See,
actually, I think
yeah,
it's
yeah.
an unshaded region.
Unshaded region will become something else. No, 25 plus 16 will come. Unshaded region also.
Or else the diagram is changed.
No, no, no. This answer I've written wrong over here. This is not 25.12. I just written something else. This is only for this.
Sir, you wrote the area of the non-shaded region there, 25.12.
Yeah. No, no, no. This is the area of only semicircular part. Only semicircular part. Understood? Children, here we are getting the answer as 196 minus 41.12. We are correct. Okay. So 196 minus 41.2. That is 154.8 centimeter square. Okay.
Sir, 154.88, sir.
88 will come.
Yes, sir, as 1 2 is there.
Okay, fine. So this is the 25.1 only answer of semicircular prism. Semicircular part is there, no? That part.
Got the same answer.
Huh?
I got 154.8.
See which part you are getting mistake. 1 point mistake. 196 minus 41.12. So you'll get 154.88. Is it clear to everyone, children? Yeah, others also get the same answer. Next question you see, children. Question number 35th. Anyone having doubt in this? Any one of you?
No, sir. Sir, your voice is coming different today.
Different, yeah. I'm not feeling well. So 35th question, number 35th. All the vertices of a rhombus lies on a circle. All the vertices of a rhombus lies on a circle. Find the area of rhombus if the area of the circle is 1 to 5, 6. So here you have to draw the diagram also, children. So what is rhombus? All it's rhombus means all sides are equal. So like this question will come or answer will come or like this will come. We should decide which type will come. Either will come like this, first figure will come or second figure will come. Which figure will come in
I
this?
think you do the same, sir. Please change the diagram.
So here I can do like this circle and inside I make like this, correct? No.
Yeah, that's
So which
the second one, sir. Second one is the
yeah, here all the vertices of the rhombus. The rhombus should lie on the circle. The second figure is correct. So by the help of second figure, you have to do this question, children. Try to do if you are getting this question or not. Just try to do this. Question number 35th. Why it's not something and all. Try, children, just check once. Who is getting the answer 800? Just let me know.
What is the area of rhombus formation?
Area of rhombus. Yeah, Samarth, what is the area of rhombus?
half into product of diagonals.
Huh?
Half into product of diagonals.
Half into D1 into D2. Okay, others? Half into product of diagonals.
Okay.
Those who are not understanding completely, they can just let me know.
Sir, I am getting the areas 200, sir.
200 area you're getting.
Yeah, area of rhombus.
So here it is 800, right?
What's going on this?
One circle I'll make first here. This is the thing, right? Next part of it is what is given in the question at least area of the circle. Children who are not understanding anything, just try to understand here. Area of circle is 21256 centimeters square. So area of circle is 3.14. R into R is equals to 1256. So R square is equals to 1256 divided by 3.14. So can you cancel this? 314 will go or not? Can you calculate completely?
Yes, sir. It's 400.
Yeah. So you can do like 1256 divided by 314 multiply by 100. So this will go by 4. So 400. So R is equals to what you get? R is equals to
20.
20 centimeter. It means this from this point, if you see this everywhere, if you see here.
Okay, sir, I got it, sir. I actually took the diagonal as 20 centimeters.
Diagonal is 20.
Actually, I took the diagonal as 20. It's 40, sir. The diagonal.
Acha, okay. This diagonal, right? So this diagonal is 40.
I got 800. Sir.
Huh?
I got 800.
Okay, how to do now?
Sir, from here, half into the diagonal is 40, right? R
Yeah.
is reaching one side, one second. Then half into 40 into 40. That's the answer.
Half into 40 into 40.
Yeah.
What? How to do 40 into 40? What? Acha, this one, the product of diagonals, right?
Yeah. Area is.
Yeah. So you can do that. Area of diagonal is equals to diagonal is equals to half into product of diagonals. Product of diagonals. So half into 40 into 40. So we'll get to 800 centimeter square. The area of diagonal I've written here. See, area of rhombus. Is it clear, children? To everyone? All of you understanding?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Rasool, it's clear to you, Rasool?
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. 36. You try to do question number 36 now. In figure ABCD is a square. This is from NCERT, I believe.
30, but it's extremely hard, sir.
This one,
Yes, sir.
extremely hard. If you know
Sorry.
yeah, if you know, it's easy. How to do, Praharshan? You are telling it's easy, no? Tell me how to do.
Sir, first you have to divide the 14 by 2 and find the area of one semicircle, I guess.
Okay, after finding semicircle,
And then you just multiply it by 4. So you'll get the shaded area for all.
means you are saying area of semicircle into 4.
So like, so you have to draw a line from the middle of AD to the midpoint, then,
Means you are saying this one, right?
so not like that. Sir.
Hmm.
A horizontal line.
A to D.
So
Wait,
half of midpoint of AD to midpoint of BC.
this one you are saying like this.
Yes.
And
Yes.
and this one also.
Then you would get 7 and 7. You get 49 and find the flower over there or petal. And
Acha. Okay. Okay, children, try, all of you just think for 2 minutes. You will get the answer. Any method you just do. Actually, this is very easy question. If you know the concept, no.
Yes, sir. We have to know the concept for it.
Shall I tell you?
No, sir. Let us try.
Yeah, okay. Try once. Rasool, tell me how to do this question. Rasool.
Sir, I got 96 by 7.
What you're getting?
196 by 7.
196 by 7.
Yes.
I don't know. I need to solve. Children, anyone had doubt? Got any one of you? Children, anyone got the answer?
Sir, sir,
Huh?
in a square, 7 centimeters, the diagonals are equal to the sides. Sir.
Diagonals are equal to the side. How it is possible? Diagonal are equals in any square. Diagonals are not possible to side. Now, how it is possible? In a square, how diagonal is equal to side?
Not, sir.
Hmm. Rasul, do you know this?
Sir, not sure.
Drishi, can you try this? Chanchal,
Sir, I'm doing.
how you started this question? That just tell me. That is enough.
Sir, if you take any two semicircles, then you find the area of that. Then you get the then you minus that from the area of the square. Then you get the area of the two parts of the shaded region. Then like
Huh.
that, you'll take the other two. You'll do the same thing. Then you'll add all the shaded regions.
Yeah, see. Now Drishi is correct. See, children, what you just try to do here is, see, this is one semicircle. And this is one semicircle, right? If you remove this part and if you remove this part, what happened? You'll get which part you get? This one you get, and this one you get, right, children? You get this much. I'm just trying to make it blue right now. This one area, this area you get or not, children?
Yes, sir, we get it.
Yes,
Sir, is
sir.
the answer 41 to 42, sir?
I don't know, children. I have to solve. So 2 multiply with
Okay,
this shaded region if you do, no. This, suppose this is first and this is second part. Twice of this first and second part if you do, no. First area plus second area. Twice of this you will get the answer as 196. Understood? What is the concept of this behind this? Because similarly, this first and second you find similarly what you do, no. I'm erasing right now. Similarly, what you do is second part also you see. A to D, you find the area. And here also, this also you find the area. So in this part altogether, this area and this area we got. That's why I've written here twice. Understood, children? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Drishi, this only you are saying, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Samarth, Rasul, it's clear
Yes,
to all
sir.
of you children now. Now you can find.
Yes, sir. I can find, sir.
Okay. You name here O in between, okay? Right? You just name it 1 and 2. Right here, area of shaded region 1 and 2. Shaded region 1 and 2 is equals to area of semicircles AOB and DOC. Okay, so area of shaded is equal to area of what I did here. Area of a square minus should do, no? Area of a square minus area of a square minus area of semicircles of this. The area of a square is what? 14 into 14.
Sir, is the answer 84, sir? I got it as 84.
196 actually I've written here. I don't know exactly.
Then I got 120.
Minus area of semicircle is AOB. AOB and
There are
BOC.
two semicircles, sir. You just make it a circle.
Yeah, you can do that area of circle only, no problem. So pi r square, you can use 22 by 7. Radius is 7 into 7. So 196.
196 minus 154.
Yeah. So answer is what?
42
42. And this is the only part
into
of
2.
yeah, 42. So 42 into 2. Yes, that is 84 centimeter square. It's correct, children. Anyone having doubt, children, over here? Others, it's clear how to got 84. Drishi, what you got the answer 196 or 84?
Yes, sir, it's 84 rupees.
Hmm. Okay, now shall we play the quizzes based on this one. Children, you just write this one. This is your homework. Question 37th is your homework. Okay. This is your homework 37th question, and now we'll play the quiz. Okay, based on triangles itself. Based on triangle, we play the quiz now. Be ready. Triangles. Quizzes.
Sir, did we do triangles?
Rectangles.
Huh?
Sir, did we do triangles chapter?
No, this one, which area it is circles? No, I'm doing in the triangles in class 9th. That's why I thought. Okay, area it is circles. But calculation will be more now in this.
Yes, sir. There will be numericals.
The tomorrow test is based on this only, children. Okay, area to circles, because this is almost finished. Only all type of questions also we have done.
And let's try quizzes, sir. Some are not like that.
Huh?
Sir, some quizzes are not like that, sir. Find the area, that's not. They will tell you how to find the area of a sector. You have to just tell the formula.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'm sharing the link right now. After that, you can start playing. So after this, we start triangles chapter only, children. Shall we start triangles only after this? Tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
All right. Others Paul has joined right now.
Sir, we are 10 people, right?
Huh? What?
We are 10 people, right? 5 only have joined.
Yeah, children, those who don't want to join, you just tell me, children, you don't, if you're not interested. If you're not interested, you can tell. Okay, children, only 6 children joined. How many people are there over here? There are 10 people, no?
9 children. Yeah, including you. There are 10.
2 people left right now, I think. Sudarshan is having problem with. Sudarshan is problem having with the right, Sudarshan. Sudarshan, you can open the quiz directly and do just put the code here 5636248. That is simply you put the quiz.
So for me, it's showing invalid code.
It's valid.
No, sir, it's showing invalid code.
Acha. Rasul, to you also.
Yes, sir.
Invalid code. Children, can we join one new game? New for shall we close and new game? Shall we create?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I message in the group, children. Just like we look into it. All of you try once again.
Sir, I am unable to see, sir.
Network issue. Samarth,
Sir, I don't know why I'm logged out of it. Just a minute. Sir, have you sent?
what? Samarth?
Sir, okay, sir, got the link. Just a minute.
Once again, I did. Check. Sudarshan, this time you can join. Sudarshan.
Sir, 5 people have only joined. Sir.
Samarth.
Sir, only 5 people have joined.
Okay, those people only play. They are not. Internet might not be working.
Sir, I have finished.
Teja, you need more time. Teja. Okay, children, all of you can leave. Very nice children who played. Better than me. Sudarshan, Samarth, Drishi.
Thank you.
Okay, children, bye. Thank you all. You can leave for the meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.